This is Binary Tree Inorder Traversal. It's LeetCode question 94, and it's one of the Google interview questions. So we have the roots of a tree. We're dealing with a binary tree here, and we need to return the in-order traversal of its nodes values. This looks very simple. We already know the formula to do this. We can use a depth-first search algorithm, and we can use a recursive function to achieve that. But there is one small trick here. We have to return the in-order traversal of the nodes values through a vector. So the vector has to be a vector of integers, and we need to return the values, for example, 1, 2, 3, in a vector of size 3, where the contents of the vector would be the values of these nodes in order. In the solution, at first when you begin, you only have this line as part of your solution. It's a public function, and this is the vector of integers that you have to return, the name of the function, and the parameter, which is a nodes. So it's a node pointer. And to solve this challenge, I'm creating a vector called values, a vector of integers, and I'm setting it as private because I only need it in my solution class. Now I need to reserve some space for my vector here, and to reserve space, I need to specify the capacity that I need for my vector. So if you scroll down to the constraints here, they say that the number of nodes in the tree ranges from 0 to 100. So we need 100 slots inside of the vector to be able to store the values for a maximum of 100 nodes. So here, once I reserve some space in memory, it means that I don't need to reallocate spaces anytime I'm pushing a new value. This helps a little bit with performance. Then what I check here is if I have a valid node. If you look again at the examples here, sometimes they have null as the node, meaning that there is no nodes there. Example 1 has a right child, but it doesn't have any left child. Just keep in mind that some of the values in the inputs are going to be null. So I need to check here. If it's not null, then I'm going to follow the in-order traversal algorithm. And this uses recursion. So if there is a left child, we need to visit the left child. We then need to visit the current nodes. In this context, when I say visit, we need to push the value of the current nodes inside of the vector. And then if there is a right child, then we need to visit the right child. And because this is recursive, this logic is going to repeat for all the nodes. And when we are done, we can return the values. So this values vector will keep getting updated at every function call. And the last return that we'll get is the vector fully populated with the values from the binary tree. That's pretty much all the logic that you need. Remember that in order goes left, root, right. So this is the order that we have here. Let me run this code. And we've passed all the test cases. But these are just the sample ones. So let me submit it. And we've passed everything with 0 milliseconds. So that's pretty good. I'll keep solving the other ones, especially for Google interview questions. So if you like my solutions in C++ and you want more programming tutorials and coding videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.